Hey everybody, I'm Jared Allen with BullyBag and Tool Company, here to debut another piece from our installers line, the multi-tool pouch. As you can see, that can be worn simultaneously with our drill holster as well. The multi-tool is terrific for that electrician, do-it-yourselfer. It has to carry a lot of different tools. It has one main chamber, a bracket for a hammer, two slots for your screwdrivers on the outside, as well as loaded with D-rings, one on each side, and can be worn as part of the belt system or as part of a sling with the padded strap that is included with purchase. So check out the new installers line at bullybag.com.